Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers, welcome again to my YouTube channel. I am Mr. MK. Today I would like to take you through paper 1 KCSE 2018. Now let's do this question together. Simplify 3 into bracket 2x minus 4 negative 2 into bracket x minus 1 close the bracket. Now it carry 2 marks. Now let's do these questions together now. Solution. Now simplified. How do you simplify now this? Just rewrite the way it is. 3 close the bracket 2x minus 4 you close the bracket minus 2 close the bracket x minus 1. After that one, now just open the bracket by what is outside. 3 times 2x, that is 6x. 3 times 2x is 6x. 3 times negative 4 is now negative 12. Negative 2 multiplied by x is negative 2x. Now negative 2 multiplied by negative 1. Remember, negative multiplied by negative will always give you a positive. Now it is positive 2. Negative multiplied by negative, it will give you a positive. Now it is positive 2. From there now, collect the like term together. Let's say 6x minus 12 minus 2x. 6x minus 12 minus 2x plus 2. 6x minus 2x will be 6x minus 2x is 4x. Negative 12 plus 2. Negative 12 plus 2, it will be a negative 10. It will be a negative 10. That one is 4x minus 10. 4x minus 10. That was your answer. Now let's do the next one. The next question says, evaluate, close the bracket, negative 2, close the bracket, raised to 0, times, close the bracket, negative 2, then you close, raised to negative 3. Raised to negative 3. Now, how do you go this? Now, let's say, remember the law of indices, which says that any number that is raised to 0 is always 1. Any number that is raised to 0 is always 1. Either be 1,000 raised to 0, the answer is always 1. Any number that is raised to 0 is always 1. Now for that case here now, just rewrite it the way it is. Negative 2 raised to 0 times, close the bracket, negative 2 raised to negative 3. After that one, we have said that any number that is raised to 0 is always 1. Times, close the bracket, negative 2 raised to negative 3. Now, 1 times negative 2 raised to negative 3 is just the same as, close the bracket, negative 2, then you close, raised to negative 3. Now, from there now, let's say the law of indices, which says that any number that is raised to a negative power, it is always written in form of fraction. Let's say, for example, a raised to negative 1. The law of indices, which say any number that is raised to a negative, it will be, you will rewrite it in form of fraction. 1 over a raised to 1. It is just like this, 1 over a raised to 1. For this case here, it is raised to negative 3. Down the power will change to a positive. Now it is like this, 1 over close the bracket, negative 2 raised to positive 3. Close the bracket, 1 over, close the bracket, negative 2 raised to 3. Now from there now, the negative 2 cube will be 8. That is negative 8. Now the answer will be 1 over negative 8. Because 2 cube is, it will give you 8, and that is 1 over negative 8. That is your final answer. Now if it is your first time to watch this video, don't forget to share and subscribe. I wish you all the best. Thank you.